The world changed on February 24th when Vladimir Putin invaded Ukraine. And as a result, we as a nation have started to prepare for war. We don't really speak of it. There was no mention of it in yesterday's elections. But the fact is our country is preparing for war. We have already sent over $20 billion to Ukraine. In addition to that, we are building our military machine. And I have done the research and I have identified 12 stocks that since February the 24th are cumulatively up an average of 2.9% over 8.5 months. And they range from 22% to 96% up. I'm building my war portfolio. I think you need to do the same.